Students, this is the last stanza of our poem. Let's read first. We shall pass the ford of Tirpurni and leave behind us the desert of Tepantar. When we come back, it will be getting dark, and I shall tell you of all that we have seen. I shall cross the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. So, the young boy is saying that he, with his friend Ashu, will pass the ford of Tirpurni river. Tirpurni is the name of a river. Ford means a place where the water is very shallow in the river and you can cross it on foot. So they will cross that river also, ford of Tirpurni river, and they would leave behind the desert of Tepantar. You all must be thinking where the desert has come from now, because he is sailing a boat in a river. So, where is the desert? Tepantar is the name of a desert. It is very famous in Bengali literature, in fairy tales. So, he is a small child, he is imagining that there would be desert also, and they would cross the desert too, he with his friend Ashu. Further, he says that when they would come back, it will be dark. Obviously, the journey is long, it will take a lot of time. So, when they would come back, it would be the time of dawn. Dawn means around sunset. And I shall tell you of all that we have seen. Now, he is saying he is leaving a message for his mother. In that message, he is telling her that when he would come back, he would describe everything that has happened to him, to his mother. Although it is impossible to cross 7 seas and 13 rivers in a single day, but he is a small child and he can imagine anything. So he is imagining himself as the prince of the fairy tale, crossing all the rivers and seas and come back home. He would tell the story of his adventure, his brave adventure to his mother. He is taking pleasure, delight, happiness in all this imagination. Students, the child is a dreamer. He is dreaming. He is an explorer. Explorer means someone who explores new places, finds new places. He cannot imagine himself away from his mother for a long time. He needs his friends too, so he is planning to go on a journey with his friend Ashu. I hope the poem is very much clear to you now. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to drop your queries in comment section.